Based on our monthly survey of 27,000 businesses worldwide, global manufacturing demand rebounded sharply in January, reaching its strongest level since May 2022. The pickup was led by Asia, where manufacturers stepped up purchasing in response to improving order books. Factories across China, Japan, Korea, India, and ASEAN bought materials more aggressively, pushing the region's supply chains to their busiest levels since late 2024. In North America, supply chains were also busier as the U.S. industrial economy regained momentum at the start of 2026. Manufacturers showed a greater willingness to build inventories, signaling growing confidence in demand pipelines after a softer end to last year. Europe remained the laggard. Manufacturers there were still cautious about restocking, though the pace of decline in purchasing eased, pointing to tentative signs that conditions may be stabilizing. The big picture. After several months of treading water, January's data points to a broad-based recovery across U.S. manufacturing, spanning sectors and geographies. Despite tariffs and trade uncertainty, manufacturers are showing real resilience. With the cost of capital easing, procurement teams have more flexibility to adjust sourcing and inventories as they navigate ongoing volatility. To download our full data and analysis, visit gep.com/volatility. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.